Hey, this is ShawNshawN for the artist from ShawNshawN.co, and I do specials on eBay. Today I'm going to go to the gallery and do a painting. See you guys there. Okay, today we're going to do a painting on a lake with mountains in the background. I'm making this completely out of my head. Normally I work off some kind of photo to kind of check the colors and all that, so we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. All right, now we're going to run through the colors. So Quin blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, Indian yellow, yellow ochre, burnt umber, pearly red, primary yellow, titanium white, Mars black. Let's get this going. All right, today I'm going to do a landscape with kind of mountain reflection lake. So pretty simple, but I'm making it up top of my head since I don't have a photo to work with. So we'll see. It might look crazy in the colors, but hopefully it looks fun. Wish me luck. Layer, got kind of a generic mountains, generic sky, so we'll have to clarify this with better color definition, add a water line obviously, and maybe shoreline later. We'll see. I think we're going to add maybe a sunset to kind of clarify this, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we just finished the painting, so let's take a look here. Zooming in. So I have kind of this burnt orange yellow sunset, so it's kind of a late sunset. I think the upper half works pretty well. Some of the red's a little dark. Overall I think it's pretty good. I just got this weird red in it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. Sometimes you have that in a sunset, but it's really difficult to work from because you don't really know what I don't have a base photo to go off of, so it's a little more challenging than your normal sunset. So I made up the whole thing, which is good, but then you run into trouble with color checking in your painting. So we'll see how it works out, but hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next videos. Thanks, guys.